come right out, and you'll see all the water is going to flow just into our bucket. Might be a good idea to get some towels too, because it looks like a little bit of that went elsewhere. We can lock that into place, test fit again, and man, it's just about perfect. So at that point, let's take our fill hose, slide this guy in, with that connected up there, we can now get down low. We can use our lock nut here. And get that tightened up. You don't have to go too tight here, but you want to make sure it's snug. And once all that stuff is tightened up, now you're going to make sure that the flush tube there doesn't run into the water fill tube. Hopefully this will start to bend down a bit. But let's go